Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And let's dive into some analysis here. So as you can tell, the Bitcoin price has had a tremendous rally, and our short setup was invalidated. We don't get them all right, but man, do sure people love to rub it in when you get it wrong. They know they're quite as crickets when you get it right, but when you get it wrong, man, are they there? I'm getting smoked right now. No, but seriously, guys, it happens, right? So right now, we got a nice three-wave move down, and we also have a three-wave move up, which could still be a flat correction, right? So this could be a flat, and I did measure the target I actually should probably re-measure it just very quickly here. I just want to see to the tick because, whoops, I might be off by a few ticks here. So I just want to get it down to the right on the top as well. There we go. So we got pretty damn close to hitting the sell target for the flat area, and then we reversed off of it. Now I still think that we could actually come back up and enter this area, like kind of like fade the highs and then start to reverse. We got Trump inauguration. Everybody is buying up on this news. I have people in the office coming to me and asking me if it's a good idea, if they should be buying Bitcoin ahead of the Trump inauguration. Again, buy the rumor, sell the news is my best guess of what's gonna play out. It's never that easy. No, we thought we had a good short setup here, but we just saw too much buying coming in, right? We saw lots of those buyers step in on that 1 hour time frame. They just accumulated. Now they're reaping the rewards. But is this gonna last, right? Is this entire rally gonna last? Are we gonna, enjoy the rewards of new all-time highs soon? It's very possible. The second you take out, this area here, you make a new all-time high. This short setup is invalidated. There's no more, in my opinion, there will be no more downside, at least for a while. And what you will have is eventually this wave 2 will be in, right? That will set, if you take out the all-time highs, this wave 2 will be in. And what you'll have is a pullback eventually, and that will be a buyable dip for more upside. So if that plays out, then yeah, then you have an amazing trade setup for a long opportunity to price discovery to new all-time highs. You'll get $10,000 days, I'm sure, and Bitcoin will make its way up to the $200,000 levels, right? And yeah, I someone in the comments was saying like, oh, this is so unreasonable, but I'm just putting this up here. Like, it's obviously probably not going to go this high. I'm just putting my wave extensions something like at these levels, but I'm pretty sure we'll do something like this. So our first impulse, to the new all-time highs should look like this. Whoops. All right. There you go. Wave 3, 4, and a 5. Big pullback in wave 4. Then one final all-time high in wave 5, right? Something like that. That is essentially what I'm expecting. Not perfect lines, right? It's going to be very choppy, but yeah, that's basically the gist of it. And at the same time, I was checking the RSI here. We broke down from this upsloping RSI trend line. We retested as resistance, got rejected, and now we're retesting again. We didn't quite test it. I'm pretty confident we'll maybe even break it next week and then fake it out and come back down, but we'll have to see. Regardless, we have strategic longs inside the Discord. The longs are printing. I could even show you guys if you guys are members inside the Crypto Mickey Discord. We got some longs going on in the spot trades. They're all up very nicely here. We got like 122 there, 155. This one is at 0%. This one has not moved since I entered. But this was probably in the middle of the day today at lunchtime, so it hasn't been really up to date. But yeah, we're up very nicely on these trades here, and they continue to print for us. So hopefully they can show some bigger gains as the prices surge. But yeah. Anyways, let's continue on, and we'll take a look at a few other things. I want to take a look at market cipher. So market cipher on the weekly still looking actually a little bit more bullish now as the price has gone up. You can take a look at the 4-day. The 4-day looks incredibly bullish with this green dot here, 15 and a -5 on the dual band strength index, a 3 right? 3-day time frame. Green dot right now on this candle that we have currently closes in 1 day. 2-day time frame, very bullish as well. 17 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. You got the daily time frame not looking as bullish now, -2 and a 9, but still bullish nevertheless. And then you could take a look at the 4-hour. Now the 4-hour has a red dot. That's probably why we're starting to see a little bit of selling right now. Price is consolidating, pulling back here. I think that we'll actually get a really nice dip buy if the RSI can come down and touch this this point here on the 1-hour time frame, and then you should probably be set for one more high here, right? And a nice little 5-wave move up on the 1-hour time frame. So that's what I'll be looking for if we can do that. And yeah, I can make the impulse here for you guys. So you got a 1, 2, and then you got your third wave right now, and I think you need a 4 and a 5. So you need something like this. That's what I'm thinking, and maybe you just tap this area and then you come back down. All right, so anyways, that's my Elliott wave count there. The 1-hour still looks bullish. You got green money flow. The 30-minute curling down here. 15-minute. Yeah, you're running out of green money flow on the 15-minute. It is curling down here. So maybe the short setup today was at 105,000 or 105,800. And now you'd be laughing. You'd be in the money very nicely. All right, let's see. We'll take a look at the larger time frames on Wave Edge to see what's going on. If there's any new updates, I'm pretty sure I saw something on the 2-day or 3-day. Yeah, you got a green cross here, very bullish. Now, the last time we got some green crosses on the 3-day, prices proceeded to move up very nicely. Right, get these nice rallies going. Same thing on the 2-day. 2-day green crosses are followed by rallies as well. As you guys can tell here, got a nice little rally, right? Daily time frame, that green cross occurred back in December, but nothing really new at the moment. And the 12-hour, anything new? Yeah, the smaller time frames, you got some sell signals here and there, but nothing too detrimental. I was actually checking the 4-hour if we're actually gonna get some sell signals on the 4-hour, but I didn't see anything, so everything should be okay. Anyways, that's my update for you guys. Just ease for caution, not to go super crazy on leverage. And if you're sitting on some gains, then hey man, like perfect, good for you. Take some profit on those leverage trades, because when it starts to come back down, you can lose the whole stack. And that's the whole point of trading, is taking profits. Your long-term bags, you should just hold them for the rest of the year essentially. I don't think we'll have any sort of black swan crash or anything, but again, you guys can do whatever you think is best. All right, have a wonderful weekend, guys, and I'll give you guys updates for the members inside the Discord. Peace.